Cinderella and the Moonlight Mirror. It was the night of the rare blue moon, and Cinderella sat in the castle garden, gazing at the stars. Suddenly, a beam of silver light fell from the sky and formed a glowing path into the forest. Cinderella, curious. What a strange light! It's calling me. I must find out where it leads. Cinderella followed the moonlight deep into the woods until she reached a hidden lake. In the center of the lake floated a beautiful mirror made of moonlight itself, shining and shifting like liquid silver. Mirror, soft voice. Cinderella, step closer. Your heart will decide what you truly see. Cinderella, amazed. A talking mirror? How magical! As she stepped closer, the mirror rippled and formed a reflection, but it wasn't her. It was a darker version of Cinderella, with a cold smile and angry eyes. Dark Cinderella, why do you pretend to be kind? Deep inside, you wish for power, don't you? Cinderella, shocked. No, that's not true. The mirror's surface opened like a doorway, pulling Cinderella inside. She found herself trapped in a maze of endless reflections, each showing a version of herself. One proud, one jealous, one selfish, one fearful. Cinderella, whispering, "Are these all parts of me?" A gentle voice echoed around her. Mirror, to reunite with the moon's light, you must accept every side of yourself, even the ones you hide. But deep in the maze waited a powerful shadow self, a tall, dark version of Cinderella who laughed as she stepped forward. Shadow, I am your anger, your impatience, your doubts. You cannot defeat me. I am you, Cinderella, firmly. Then I will not fight you. I will understand you. Cinderella reached out and hugged the shadow. As she did, the dark figure dissolved into golden light and flowed back into her heart. Mirror, gentle. Only those who accept themselves completely can shine truly bright. The maze vanished. Cinderella stood once more before the moonlight mirror, and this time it showed her true reflection, kind, strong, and whole. The mirror rose into the sky and transformed into a glowing moon pendant, landing softly in her hands. Mirror, wear this as a reminder. Real strength is not perfection. It's accepting every part of who you are. Cinderella, smiling, I understand now. To grow, I must love even the parts I once feared. Back at the castle, the blue moon faded and dawn painted the sky. Cinderella touched the glowing pendant and felt a calm she'd never known before. And from that night on, Cinderella knew that the bravest thing anyone can do is to understand and accept themselves. Moral of the story: true strength comes from accepting every part of yourself, light and dark alike.